We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to use addition-subtraction method in order to find the values of x and y. What we're supposed to do first? We're supposed to copy down the first equation and we're supposed to organize the second one. Okay, so copy down the top equation first. We have 3x plus 4y is equal 77. Copy down 4x, bring down 12y to the left side. Remember, you have to change the sign, so I have 12y equals 16. Look at the coefficients, okay? X coefficients and y coefficients. They are different. So what we can do? Look at the second equation. Second equation has terms 4x minus 12y and 16. All of them are divisible by 4. Let's simplify the second equation first. And let's take a look what we are going to have. Divide the second equation by 4. Copy down the first one, so I have 3x plus 4y is equal 77. And I have 4x divided by 4 is just x. Minus 12 divided by 4 is negative 3y equals 16 divided by 4 is equal 4. Now we're supposed to look again at the coefficients. We have 3 and invisible 1. I have 4 and negative 3. We want to have the same values of the coefficients next to x or y and different signs. So what we can do over here? We can multiply the second equation by negative 3. Why I multiply by negative 3? Let me show you. Copy down the top equation first. We have 3x plus 4y is equal 77. And x times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 3y times negative 3 is positive 9y equals 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. If you are going to multiply the second equation by negative 3, you are going to make the coefficient negative 3. Look at the first equation and second equation. These two terms are going to subtract each other. Okay, so they are going to eliminate each other. So x is going to be eliminated and I'm going to end up with 4 plus 9 is equal 13, y in this case, and I have 77 minus 12 is equal 65. In order to find value of y, you're supposed to divide both sides of this equation by 13. 13 and 13 will cancel out, and 65 divided by 13 is equal 5. So this is the value of my y. Next, we're supposed to find value of x. In order to find value of x, you're supposed to choose one of the original equations, and instead of y, you're supposed to write 5. Now, because I have already x on the left side of this equation and y on the right side, I'm going to use this equation. So I have 4x equals 12y plus 16. And I always try to use the equation which has the lowest values of the coefficients, okay? So it's much easier to deal with numbers like 4, 12, 16 than 77, okay? So that's why I also choose equation number 2. Okay, so now we're supposed to replace y by 5. So simply write 4x equals 12 times 5 plus 16. I have 4x equals 12 times 5 is 60 plus 16. So I have 4x equals 60 plus 16 is 76. In order to find value of x, you have to divide both sides equation by 4. X is equal 76 divided by 4 is 19. And this is the value of my x, 19. Next, we're supposed to verify if our answers are correct. We're supposed to plug in these two values into the original equations. Remember, we're supposed to check both equations in order to be 100% that these are the correct answers to this system of equations. So let's check the first equation. We have 3x plus 4y is equal 77. Okay, this is my first equation, and instead of x I'm supposed to write 19, so I have 3 times 19 plus 4 times 5, because y is equal 5, and this is equal 77. 3 times 19 is equal 57 plus 4 times 5 is equal 20 equals 77. 57 plus 20 is 77. As you can see, the left side of my equation is equal to the right side. 77 is equal 77. So we can say that our answers are correct, but in order to be 100% sure, check also with the second equation. So we have 4x equals 12y plus 16. 4 times 19 equals 12 times 5 plus 16. So I have 4 times 19 is 76, and I have 12 times 5 is 60 plus 16 is also 76. Again, you can see that the left side of my equation is equal to the right side. Now we are 100% sure that the ordered pair x equals 19 and y equals 5 is the solution to the system of my two linear equations.